Oh my god. Sorry, the video's kind of glitchy. That always happens. Oh, okay. Oh my god. I'm gonna lose this. Oh, I got optical views. Sorry about the background. I'm trying to talk over. My typing speeds is 25 words per minute. So yeah, this is basically it. I suck at typing. I don't take plastic kids. I'm a kid. Let's play this. Start with games glitching. Let's not put this. Let's just take another typing test and that's it. Sorry. What the background's annoying. Actually, no. I'm just in the video here. It's been going on for actually, I'll just stop it. Bye, guys.